back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Glitzy Gaze for August month. So this is the pouch which I've got. Let's just quickly unbox it and see what all it has. But before that, let me tell you that Glitzy Gaze has two different variants. I will be unboxing Bella, so let's talk about that. The price for a monthly subscription is 329 rupees. I will be mentioning the buying link in the description box, so don't worry about that. And let me tell you that this video, like today's video, is very special. Why? Because yes, Glitzy Gaze has come up with a giveaway. Yes, guys, I will be announcing a giveaway in the end, so stay connected for that. I will be mentioning all the rules, everything in the description box, so you guys can check the description box as well. But before that, let me quickly show you what all it has. So it's quite affordable. 329 is the price, and in 329 rupees, what you will get, let me just show you. So first thing is this. This is a multi-purpose pouch, you can say, and the color combination and everything is quite nice. So yes, I like it, pinky and quite girly. So I like it. Quality and everything of this pouch is quite good. So you can store your stationery, medicines, jewelry, your makeup, anything in this. So this is the pouch. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is this. This is the eyeshadow palette by M&M, and it has 18 different shades. So let me quickly show you. This is how it looks. It has this packing over this, which I'm not really removing it. Now let me open this and show you the colors. So this is, they have written all the shade names here, and these are the shades. So you guys can see. Actually a very compact, and it has 18 different shades, so I would say very useful. And it comes with this mirror and the brush here. So this is the makeup kit, or eyeshadow kit actually. Now moving on to the next one. Next one is a face wash, and this is by Alpen Glow face wash. This is vitamin therapy face wash for all skin type. This is 100% natural extract, deep cleansing, anti-pollution, hydrating, honey, and a mixed fruit variant. So this is how it looks. The price for this one is 199 rupees for 120 ml. So the quantity is quite huge, you can just see. Manufacture of July 2019, best before 24 months from the manufacturing date. So yes, looks nice. Moving on to the next one. The next one is anti-pollution gold skin massage gel, and this is by Kazima. Okay, I think I'm pronouncing it right. Okay, Kazima is the brand name, and this comes with the argan sun protection for all skin type and face care, skin healthy and glowing. The price for this one is 145 rupees. The manufacture of February 2019. Expiry is 2 years from the manufacturing date, and it has the purified aqua rose water, aloe vera gel, juice, then vitamin E, then sodium bicarbonate, then gold dust, almond, argan extract, natural fragrance. So this is how it looks. The color is golden. So it's a massage gel, gold skin massage gel. Now moving on to the next one. Next one is a lipstick. So this is from Bitty Me lipstick. Let me just open this and show you. Wow, the color is nice. The color can change. Color will be random, not change. So this is how it looks. Let me just show you the shade here. So beautiful pinkish shade. And now I'm left with the last one, which is a beautiful pair of earrings, and these are stone earrings. Let me just wear it and show you the look. Wow, pretty, very cute. So this is the look for the earrings, and these are the last product in the box, what I have received. And now let's talk about giveaway. Yes, as I promised you that I will be announcing the giveaway in the end of the video. So yes, guys, there is a giveaway. Glitzy Gaze has come up with a giveaway. There will be 3 winners, and I will be announcing the winner by the end of this month. And there are some simple rules First one is, of course, that you have to be a subscriber of my channel. Second, you just have to follow Glitzy Gaze, and I will be mentioning all the rules and everything in the description box. So don't forget to check the description box. So check the description box, and of course, hurry up, guys. So that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.